In the annals of time, turmeric, a radiant and golden spice, has been celebrated for its potent medicinal properties. For over 3,000 years, during the Vedic era, our revered ancestors unearthed the myriad advantages of this golden wonder. This knowledge was diligently passed down through generations, deeply intertwining turmeric into Indian rituals and ceremonies. We'll delve into the extensive health benefits of turmeric and explore the various ways to incorporate this miracle spice into our lives. The primary active component in turmeric, curcumin, is the driving force behind its many health benefits. Before we delve into the details, remember to subscribe to our channel for more health tips, activate the notification bell, and share this valuable knowledge with your friends and family. So, let's dive in. Relieving pain and inflammation. Turmeric has long been hailed as a home remedy for pain relief, thanks to curcumin's potent anti-inflammatory properties. It can alleviate various types of pain, including osteoarthritis and joint discomfort. When injuries occur, a warm glass of milk infused with turmeric can expedite the healing process, thanks to its antibacterial and antiseptic qualities. Enhancing memory. Curcumin's medicinal prowess extends to safeguarding against neurodegeneration. Incorporating turmeric into daily meals, such as curries and stews, can enhance brain power in children and reduce the risk of age-related memory decline. Combating depression. Curcumin's impact on memory and mood regulation extends to combating depression. It helps balance neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin, which are responsible for generating feelings of happiness. Preventing cancer. Chronic inflammation is a known precursor to cancer. Turmeric's anti-cancer properties help regulate the body's inflammatory processes. A simple morning ritual of adding a pinch of turmeric to warm water or herbal tea can contribute to this protective effect. Boosting the immune system. Turmeric actively supports the development of a robust immune system. Its antiviral properties make it a potent ally against various viruses. A nightly glass of warm turmeric milk can be a soothing and immune-boosting ritual. Attaining radiant skin. Turmeric's ability to slow down the oxidation process lends itself to anti-aging benefits. Its antiseptic properties work wonders in preventing breakouts and acne, resulting in clear and healthy skin. It can also help remove dark spots and under-eye circles. Simply apply a mixture of milk and turmeric under the eyes for 10 minutes, then rinse to reveal brighter skin. Moderation and awareness. While turmeric offers a wealth of benefits, it's essential to use it in moderation and be mindful of potential side effects. Excessive consumption may lead to mild digestive issues like bloating, acid reflux, flatulence, and diarrhea. Additionally, individuals taking blood-thinning medications should exercise caution, as turmeric possesses blood-thinning properties. Turmeric is indeed a remarkable spice that can significantly enhance your quality of life. Its therapeutic properties are a gift from nature, capable of addressing and preventing various ailments. Especially in these challenging times, consider incorporating turmeric into your daily routine, morning and night. By doing so, you can embark on a journey towards a confident, energetic, and positive life. Embrace the power of turmeric, and watch it transform your well-being. Did you like the video? Please share, like and subscribe to our channel for new content. See you next time.